Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Shantina and today I am going to show you how I achieve this cute, simple, easy to achieve side halo braid. This is one of my favorite protective styles to do and it's very versatile. You can wear this in a professional or casual setting. So I'm starting out on freshly clean blow-dried hair, and I will be doing the feed-in method using the Easy Braid Professional Braiding Hair in 2 different colors. I decided to use just one product, the As I Am leave-in conditioner. I love this because it's very lightweight. It reminds me of a milk. You can pretty much find this product at Walmart, Target, Amazon. So I start out by finding where I want my part to be, and then I just continue that throughout the back. And as you can see, I just pretty much took it down the middle, but I did want a side part because I'm into side parts these days. Here I am just pretty much trying to mold the hair into the position in which I'm going to be braiding. I've already braided the other side because I was struggling trying to figure out how this is going to come about. But I figured it out. So now I'm just adding that product to my edges, and I'm going to also add it to the ends of my hair because you want to just make sure that your hair is a little moisturized in the protective style that you're going to put it in. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and start the braiding method, and if you know anything about feed-in braids, you pretty much start the braid off without any hair, and then you're going to start feeding in the braid as you're doing your cornrow. It took me a long time, well, maybe not a long time, but it took me a little bit of time to even know how to do feed-in braids. I looked at a lot of YouTube videos to try to figure it out. I practiced on myself over and over again. I didn't have anybody else to actually practice on, but practicing on myself allowed me to perfect the method. And as you can see here, I'm starting to add in the actual color. I decided to go with a number 1, and I believe that is a number 30, that reddish color. And I didn't want the color to show too much. I wanted to pop, but I didn't want it to show too much, so that's why I was feeding the braid, the color braid, under the braid that I was going over. I can't explain it. I probably need to do a closer video so I can show you guys closer, like the actual technique that I used. But just trying to get these braids done was already a struggle. So as you can see, the braid is nice and fat, a little juicy there, just like I wanted it. The other side, not so much, but because it's a side part, I thought it was okay, and it still looked pretty good. So I continue to feed in that color into the braid, and I'm just pretty much going to braid that all the way down. Going to speed up the process here. And I'm pretty much going to take that braid and braid it all the way down until I am finished with the braid. And so pretty much what I'm going to do next is take those 2 braids and crisscross them in the back. I'm going to show you right here. Crisscross it in the back. You see that nice color right there. And let's go ahead and get these baby hairs together real quick. Once you smooth your hair down with the baby hair, once you smooth your baby hairs down, you're just going to pretty much tie it, get that molded look, that finished product look. So I'll go ahead and mold it down with a scarf for about 30 to 40 minutes. So here is the finished product. Nice and neat. I love this protective style. It's easy, it's simple, easy to achieve. It's easy to maintain throughout the week. It is a very go-to hairstyle that I like to use when it comes to protective styles. You can use it in a professional setting, or you can have this in a casual setting. All right, well, I am going to leave you with this, and stay tuned for the next video. I'm going to give you a quick snippet of what the next video is. Remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay tuned. Don't click off. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shantina, and today I am going to be doing a luxury perfume haul for you. These are my most complimented perfumes. I love them. There's some good transition perfumes from winter to spring, all the way into the summer. You can wear these perfumes. I have something if you want to smell like a snack. I have something that got you feeling like a boss. I got something that a little, brunch with the girls, and I got some date night stuff for you also. So stay tuned. All right, so I have really been getting into perfumes and just aromatic smells over the last 2 years. I've always liked perfumes, but I'm really getting into like the notes of perfume and trying to figure out which notes go best with my chemistry. And I have been testing out perfumes and different types: floral, musk, masculine, feminine, all these different types of perfumes. And I've landed. All right, so don't forget to, if you have any questions, please leave them below. And please do not forget to like this video, share it with someone, and of course, please subscribe to this channel. And as always, remember to stay focused and keep moving forward in a positive direction, forsaking all negativity that tries to invade your space. And until my next video, I'll see you guys later. Bye.